Okay, so it's arrived today, the Topteng GSXS750 seat cowl. Just gonna open it up, see what we got. Obviously it doesn't come in a box, so if it got damaged in shipping, you never know. Okay, so obviously China made. Here it is. So it's only painted to the very edges, so I don't know quite what the quality difference is from the original. There's a bit of lacquer over spray underneath, hard plastic, but I'm going to go and put on the bike, see how it looks. Okay, I'm going to see if I can do this one-handed. Now I've got in the light, you can see there are a couple of the teeny hair under the lacquer there, sort of teeny little dot around there. So you get what you pay for. It was over half the price of the original genuine one, so I'm not expecting much from it. But let's see how easy this is to fit one-handed whilst talking. I might even shut up to concentrate. So, right. The on looks good. Someone who's already bought one of these has told me it's a good idea to change the rubbers because there is a little bit of movement, so I'm going to do that and see what happens. Right, so what's advised is we take off the rubbers that come on there and replace it with the originals. Hopefully we can just wedge that on. There we go. I'll get the other one on and hopefully that will stop the rattling. So we'll give that a go. There we go, that's in and on. Solid, absolutely perfect. There we go, that's the Topteng, I can't even remember what it's called, Fire Tongue rear seat cowl cover.